Meaning of impetuosity.
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 Impetuosity. Impetuosity refers to a tendency to act without thinking things through or without considering the consequences of one's actions. This can result in impulsive decisions, rash behavior, and even recklessness. Individuals who exhibit impetuosity may act quickly and without caution, which can lead to mistakes, accidents, or negative outcomes. In some cases, impetuosity can be a positive trait, such as in situations where rapid action is required. However, it is important to strike a balance between impetuosity and careful consideration in order to make sound decisions and achieve favorable outcomes.